Hi, I'm Chris Howard, and welcome to another episode of Foul Play. Today's episode, we're going to focus on Ray Rice, his criminal case, and how the media handled portraying him, and how legal it was that TMZ obtained the security footage from the casino where the domestic assault took place. By now, we've all seen the video of Ray Rice getting on the elevator with his fiancée, getting into a physical dispute with her, hitting her, and then subsequently dragging her out of the casino to the car. Now, everybody was shocked when this video was released, and the way it was handled by Roger Goodell and the NFL as a whole was criticized, as some players, such as Josh Gordon, were being suspended for entire seasons for drug and minor traffic infractions. Ray Rice was involved in a heated domestic dispute, and he was only suspended for 2 games originally, causing a lot of fuss in the media and in the personal lives of other players who argued either for or against the punishment. Here's where we enter the ethical and the legal debate on whether or not the security tapes from the casino are private or public footage. Now, Roger Goodell stated originally that he believed it would have been illegal for him to receive the tapes of Ray Rice striking his wife. However, New Jersey Attorney General Paul Lorquette stated that it would have been completely within his rights to receive the tape and that it was all public access information. Many people asked if the media was allowed to procure the security footage from the elevator security camera. Now, the Supreme Court ruled that elevators are public places and there is no expectation of privacy within them. Now, we cannot record audio on an elevator because that interferes with federal wiretapping laws, but as long as the cameras are up in the corner away from people's faces and they're not recording audio, there is no other statute of limitations on a security camera in an elevator. That being so, that means that any tape or any footage recorded in an elevator is public access information and can be given to any media outlet or individual persons with no expectation of protection of those filmed. Now, the Texas Attorney General ruled in the Jefferson County Middle School shooting that public places and their security cameras can only be barred from the media if juvenile persons are being filmed. So, in the Ray Rice case, where it was just him and his wife, there were no expectations of privacy, and there are no laws stating that their security footage, no matter what criminal acts are taking place, cannot be released to the media. The fact of the matter is, what Ray Rice did was illegal, and when Roger Goodell finally got all of his stuff together, he made a much more severe punishment for him. Now, say what you want about the punishment or about the legality of whatever he did or his wife not pressing charges, none of that matters. What does matter is that the media procuring these security tapes was in no way a violation of Ray Rice's rights, as ruled by Supreme Courts, civil courts, and even attorney generals of various states. And that's what we're discussing here. Media law standpoint, everything was given its due diligence, and there's nothing wrong with procuring security tapes from an elevator. So if you ever decide to beat your wife, remember that it's okay to plaster all of your security footage all over TMZ. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Foul Play. I'm Chris Howard, and we'll see you next week.